This morning.
I mean, it really is swamp-like when you step out there. Not a ton of wind to move things around. It's very still and stagnant, but we've got a lot of heat that will be moving on up.
Yeah, so be heat safe, as we've said, and we'll continue to emphasize over the next couple of days, but also watch for the fact that there may be a couple of strong storms.
I mean, almost like yesterday, some of these storms started to pop, they developed, they matured, localized flooding, even potential spin-up tornadoes for some and damaging wind gusts for others.
Yeah, so let's show you what is happening right now. First up, our friends in Sky 5 Live taking off just moments ago, and we got morning cloud cover. Like yesterday, a fair amount of cloud cover with some hits of sunshine. That sunshine will help warm us up as we make our way into the day. But right now, there you can see fair skies here in Nashville for us for this morning. Over to Cookeville campus there, Tennessee Tech, showing 72 degrees. So here are the temps right now, 77 Nashville, and on the other side of town at Tune Airport, temperatures mainly in the 70s, although we do see Clarksville at 79 for us right now. When we look at some of the 24-hour rainfall totals yesterday, Nashville International about 1/3 of an inch, not much on the other side of Nashville. Dixon about 1/4 of an inch, or just under 1/2 an inch out of Lawrenceburg, and Murfreesboro, as some of those storms rolled through, you had nearly 1.25 inches of a rain. So right now, the big picture showing that we're dry over the mid-state, but we're watching several little pieces of energy right along the upper level flow. So there is one right now moving through eastern Kentucky, another little cell right behind it there. But we were talking this time yesterday morning about a storm complex over the land of Lincoln and said we needed to watch that for the afternoon hours. So that one pushing to the east, but here's another one right now coming out of Iowa. And again, that upper level flow with these little pieces of energy riding in with this very juicy air mass can trigger these scattered showers and storms as high pressure continues to build in going into Wednesday and especially Thursday, Friday. This upper level pattern, Nikki D, will be pushed more to the east of us, and so that would allow those rain chances to decrease a little bit more for the second half of the week.
I love that you showed that map, Leland, because that really does give a nice visual of what we're looking at. Kind of think about it as a main interstate, that they're going to be taking it and moving it our way with only a few exits before it does move. So there's still the chance it could move elsewhere, but a lot of those roads are going to leave right here. Here's a live look thanks to Sky 5 up and live overlooking creation this morning. We've got a few clouds out there in some spots, but others seeing a little more sunshine. When it comes to that disturbance, Leland just showed you, there is going to be a threat for some strong to severe storms. You'll notice our threat level is a 2 out of 5 for most of us across Middle Tennessee and Southern Kentucky. Our main concern, damaging wind gusts, localized flooding. Those dew points are so high, it doesn't take much to have intense rainfall rates, and we cannot rule out a spin-up tornado. Tomorrow, that severe threat does slightly go down, but it will still be something we'll monitor a 1 out of 5. One thing, though, that's going up, of course, is our heat, and it's going to stay persistent and consistent over the next several days. By noon, 103 is what it's going to feel like, and it's going to feel as if we're around 105 to 108 degrees for about 3, 4, even 5 hours this afternoon. So that little disturbance Leland just pointed out, we are looking for it to kind of move into our area this afternoon, providing some scattered showers and storms. And then we've got this other one that's looking to move in late tonight into early tomorrow morning. So that's one model run. Let me show you this other one. This has it taking a little bit longer in time, around 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock before it does shift its way out. This is not looking to be a complete washout of a situation, but where we do encounter that lift, we will get a lot of rain. Your 7-day forecast, highs today, 97, 98 tomorrow, 98 again on Thursday. But as y'all know, it's going to feel as if we are around 110 in some places.
Yeah, so that's going to be the setup for us today. And then as we go into the next couple of days, the heat is there through the weekend. 94 for you on Saturday, 95 Sunday, and right now 97 on a Monday.